Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to edit a PDF on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, let's say you have a piece of file like a PDF file and you wanted to do some highlights, and that PDF file is comes from your lessons, or if you're still studying it's from your teachers or professors, and you want to do some highlights notes, you wanted to edit it. So in order to do that guys, you just have to go to your finder. Okay, so go to your finder and let's say I have here a sample of an ear duct cleaning script. So what we're gonna do guys, you can actually um you know um click this one and you do some, this one you can highlight it, and of course you can change the color, and yeah, so you can actually do some like that and anything like that guys. So you can also put some text in here. Okay. So if you're done, guys, like editing, highlighting, like putting some notes here, okay, you can actually do this, guys. So it's up to you guys. What are you gonna do with this PDF file? So if you're done, you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.